So what I got here is some cherry. This is a glue up. It's been sitting around the shop for way longer than I want to admit. So anyway, cut it down. Got two of these little punks. They're about 10.5 inches wide by 13.5 or 13 3/4. Anyway, a little rough. Still got the glue marks on it, so I'm gonna sand them. All right, that was basically a quick sand with 60 grit sandpaper. Nothing too serious. Most of this material is going to be chips in a little bit. So here's the setup on the mill. I've got this 3/4 inch pieces of birch plywood doubled up as this backstop. It's just some scrap I had lying around. And then essentially I'm just pushing from the front from these two clamps. I didn't put anything on the sides because I know my tool path is going to come busting out here, and so they would be sacrificial, and I just didn't want to mess with it. When you do that, you just better be very sure you cannot move laterally or you're going to have a bad day. So not sure what happened to my audio here, but anyway, here's the first part. So we got a tool change here. We'll be going from this flat end mill to a ball end, same diameter, quarter inch bit. So basically that was all with one pass. Looks pretty good. It was at this moment he knew that the feed rate was too damn high. So you can hear the harmonics change here, and that's where I'm dropping the feed rate from about 100% of what's specified in the G-code file to about 75%. So let's see how we did here. So I think we all saw it. The chip went flying. I think that definitely feed rate was too high. I lowered it. But I'm amazed at the surface finish there. You can see the striations, but it's no big deal. I think a little sandpaper and it'll come out. Wasn't sure how tight the ridge was going to be, whether it would tear out there. So there's a couple little spots that tear out, but it's not bad at all. I was wondering what was going to happen with that eye. I expected more tear out there, but overall it looks really good. So, pretty awesome. No complaints. Anyway, thanks for watching.